Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to come to you with a little mini collective haul of a few things that I picked up over the last few weeks. It is Stony Clover, Chanel, Prada, so there's something for everyone. I thought I would start with this little Chanel item that I grabbed, and it is in this box. I ended up using a personal shopper to grab these. They were actually pretty hard to find. My local Chanel boutique is in a Neiman Marcus, and so they cannot source shoes for me, which is tough. And then I have a couple other essays that I have on text, but if their particular boutique didn't order the color, then it would be hard to find. So they came with these classic dust bags. You can tell from the box that it is a pair of shoes. Inside, to reveal from the recent 23K collection. I've been getting K and S mixed up because of the S runway show. The most perfectly pink ballerina colored ballet flats. These have gone semi-viral online. A bunch of influencers have already posted them. And as soon as I saw that this color was coming out, I knew I had to add them to my collection. I love tongue twister. I love Chanel ballet flats. I just find that they are so comfortable. They go with everything. And I love this kind of like neutral, but still pinky sort of look. And I think they will look great with the different items that I picked up also from this collection. They match the colorway, they match the vibe. These are just going to be the perfect addition to my wardrobe for many years to come, especially if cared for correctly. So there they are. They're so sweet. I ended up using a personal shopper that I follow on Instagram. Be really careful using personal shoppers on Instagram. She charged a very small fee. I kind of felt like for the amount that I would get charged in tax and shipping in my home state, it kind of more or less evened out. So it was like very reasonable at the end of the day. I think she made $40, if that. So off of the transaction, worth it to get this very coveted pair of ballerina flats. They also came out with a nude version, which is really cool if you're more of a neutral girly. I'm more of a pink girly. These retailed for $9.25, and this is all the information you will need to try and track them down. Cool. So that was Chanel. Next up, I have the first part of my Stony Clover Dear Diary haul in here. I love this Stony Clover packaging, but it is so loud. Beautiful, but loud. Okay, so the first item that I grabbed was actually from part 1 of fall, but I ended up going back for this heathered little bow. So cute. I bought it in the brown color, which I forget the name originally, and I thought the gray would just be like so cute to go with black or pink. I really like pink and gray together. I think it's a good look. So I snagged one of these. So sweet. Also, other couple of items from previous collections. Okay, it's not all from the new Dear Diary collection, but I got the green headband and the red headband, and I like that this actually turned out a little bit more kind of like a pinky burgundy color. So I'm gonna have to, I just like this look. It's like very Blair Waldorf. I like the plain. I've been liking these like plain padded headbands more, but I'm gonna have to like cycle. I'm like looking at my 2 headband holders. I'm gonna have to cycle some out to make room for these, but I just think that they're a perfect little fall. And originally I was trying to decide between the green one and the brown one, and I got the brown one in my first go around, but now I'm happy I have them both. So I'll leave the green one on because, as we know, the Dear Diary collection, if you don't know, it is this beautiful sapphire and emerald sort of plaid. There we go, that's the word. And I did not get this customized at all. I think that with the scalloped edges, it already has a lot of detail, and I bought this to go with my sapphire travel set. I put together in one of the Stony Clover sales, the sapphire travel, like the glam skin and travel large pouch were on super sale, and so I thought this will just help add an extra pouch for when I'm traveling like that. And while I am always a pink flamingo girly, like I love the light pink color, sometimes it's nice to have the sapphire. Like if I'm traveling for work, or I don't know, if pink's just not the vibe of the trip, I know, blasphemy, but if pink's just not the vibe, then it's nice to have something a little bit more neutral chic. And so I am really happy with this. This is like, I thought it was printed nylon. I guess I wasn't really paying attention, but it turns out that it's printed canvas, which I actually really love. And then there's like a vegan, you can see the vegan leather trim here. And then this is actually canvas, which is so cute. Anyway, so green, totally the vibe. Okay, and then lastly, and I kind of probably should have waited until my full order arrived, but I couldn't wait. I got the tote. I got a couple other things that are still coming. I picked up the blanket. We just got a dog, and so, sorry, this is so loud. And so I thought the blanket would come in handy, but also this tote would come in handy. I feel like my dog could fit in it. It's so cute. Okay, let me take the plastic off. I actually don't know if I can take plastic off. I might need scissors. Okay, we'll just slide it over. But how cute is this? Perfect schlepping bag, work bag, travel bag, whatever. Like you can put, if you're traveling with your Kelly or other, you know, luxury bag, having a bag to put it in actually is really nice. Especially if you want to be more understated going through the airport. So there's a vegan leather bottom, handles, and then the interior is like this nylon color, and then there's a zipper pocket just for things that you need to keep more secure. But if you have a bag in a bag, you don't really need to worry about stuff falling out. So that was the Stony Clover part. So as I said, I also ordered the blanket that went with this collection, and I think a sweatshirt, and I think that that's it. That's it. That's a lot. Okay, the last item is from Prada. Let me grab it. It's in this bag, and the box is kind of like falling open. Let's put this in here. My hair is fussed. Okay, so this I ordered from Prada. I saw one of the sales associates that I follow at Neiman Marcus posted this, and I was like, that's a need. Low key, high key. Okay, inside, so cute. A box and a box and a bag. This is truly the headband haul. I got this little black velvet, yes, velvet Prada headband. It is so sweet. As soon as I saw it, I was like, velvet headband, that's what we need for winter. This is the look that we're gonna have going into the holidays. Made in Italy. Okay, we've removed the library. Literally, full library attached to this. And look how cute is that. And just like a little boop, touch of gold Prada. Love that. Okay. Anyway, so that was my cute little quick collective haul of things that I've picked up recently. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments below your favorite. If you like haul videos, please give this video a thumbs up. I use all of that information to help me figure out what type of videos you like that I should film. And then otherwise, I hope you're all having a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.